Welcome everybody to Pop-Up Camper Pro. Today we'd like to show you how easy it is to put a cover on your pop-up. Today we're going to be installing the UltraGuard RV cover by Camco.
Unboxing your cover for your pop-up, with Linda having
instructions and patch kit.
your cover storage bag,
your cinch straps,
and your RV cover.
and what Liz is handing us are straps to secure your camper under so the cover does not get blown away by the hefty wind. That there is your Camco cover for your Coleman pop-up camper. Thank you.
Instructions and patch kit.